Okay, so today I want to talk about something random. It's my enclosed trailer, and it's a problem that I came across, and I came up with a solution, and I want to share it. So this is my enclosed trailer. I use it to haul my Toyota rock crawler. The trailer is brand new, and I've only used it a few times, and I park on a gravel pad. I've got a gravel pad right here, and obviously I take my rock crawler to off-road parks and things like that. So I'm not parking on asphalt and flat surfaces and other things. So the problem that I have is when you fold up this ramp, if you've been parking, kind of heavy, sorry, on gravel, stuff like that, you can get scratches. As you can see right here, gravel scratches your door. You know, not a huge deal, but you do have these rubber stoppers, 1, 2, 3 here, and they sit on the ground. But if you're not sitting on perfectly level ground, like this is grass, but if you're in gravel or on an uneven surface, then you can sit your door down on gravel and stuff and get scratches. And I use my stuff. I know it's gonna get scratches, but it also doesn't hurt to take some preventative measures. So what I did, and what I'm gonna try, is I found this stuff from a company called Keeper Safety Step, and it is a rubber tread plate. It's pretty thick. It's like a 1/4 inch thick. It's rubber tread plate, and its peel and stick is designed to go on like steps and boats and stuff. And I'm gonna try to stick it on the trailer at the top 4 inches and see if I can protect it from crap like that. So here goes. I'm gonna see. I'm not sure if I bought enough to go all the way across, but I'm gonna try it and see what happens. Okay, so I installed the stuff on the top edge of the trailer. You can see I haven't finished because I ran out of material. So I think that will protect the top lip of the trailer when I drop the ramp down into the dirt. And for now, that is my solution to dealing with dropping the ramp down in gravel and stuff like that. And I ordered some more on Amazon to finish out over here. This stuff was like $15 for a pack, so I spent $15 more. I'm just waiting like 2 days for that to come in, and then I'll fix that. And like I removed the bumpers, I put the rubber tread plate down, and then I replaced the bumpers. So I think it will be good, and I think it will protect the top edge of the ramp for when I drop it down in the gravel and stuff like that. What do you guys think?